Here's a detailed breakdown of the differences between atheism, agnosticism, spirituality, and being non-religious. Atheism. Atheism is the lack of belief in gods or deities. It asserts that there is no evidence for the existence of any gods. There are different types of atheism. Strong atheism posits that gods do not exist and actively denies theistic claims. On the other hand, weak atheism simply lacks belief in gods without making an assertive claim that they do not exist. The philosophical basis of atheism is often grounded in scientific skepticism, rational inquiry, and an emphasis on empirical evidence. Agnosticism. Agnosticism is the view that the existence of God or the divine is unknown or unknowable. There are different types of agnosticism. Strong agnosticism holds that it is impossible to know whether any gods exist. Weak agnosticism maintains that currently, we do not have enough information to know if any gods exist, but this may change with new evidence. The philosophical basis of agnosticism emphasizes uncertainty and the limits of human knowledge, often distinguishing itself from both atheism and theism. Spirituality is a broad concept that can encompass a sense of connection to something greater than oneself, which may or may not involve religious beliefs. Often it focuses on personal growth, inner peace, and experiences of transcendence. It can include practices like meditation, mindfulness, or connection with nature, without necessarily adhering to specific religious doctrines. It may draw from various traditions and philosophies, emphasizing personal experience and individual belief systems over organized religion. Non-religious is a more general term that encompasses individuals who do not identify with any religion. This can include atheists, agnostics, secular humanists, and those who simply do not engage in religious practices. Non-religious individuals may still hold personal beliefs or values that guide their lives, but do not involve formal religious structures. They might advocate for secularism, ethics based on reason and human rights. Atheists deny gods. Agnostics say we can't know. Spiritual people may or may not believe in gods. Non-religious individuals simply don't identify with any religion. Atheists often seek meaning through secular means. Agnostics may remain open to various ideas. Spiritual individuals often find meaning in personal experiences. Non-religious people may derive meaning from humanistic or secular perspectives. Atheists and agnostics might critique religious traditions. Spiritual individuals may draw from them while adapting them to personal beliefs. Non-religious people typically distance themselves from organized religion altogether. This distinction helps clarify the diverse ways people relate to concepts of belief, spirituality, and religion.